Okay, here we go. So kind of the secret to this is to go a different direction than the rest of the people. So, and then what I do is I just collect a bunch of the followers. Oh, normally don't go after them that quick, but because I like them to collect them, because there's no way I could collect that many by myself. I left a couple out there. See, you'll notice the arrows down there on the left. I can tell that's where the people are, so we got the 60 seconds remaining here. I gotta get the snowman. We're trying to do that little fun thing. So now I've got whatever his name is there, the habit guy. So he's coming up here. So I will, oh, there we go. There we go. We've got enough time. He's going to try to make the turn, but we're going to run him down. There we go. Run him down, run him down. Leave him feeling bad. Leave him with no guys. Oh, look, there's another one. Oh, I'm so close. Not going to make it. Not going to make it to the 700. There we go. All right. So much fun. So much fun.